Education is not just about going to school and getting a degree. Education is not just about going to school and getting a degree. It's about widening your knowledge and absorbing the truth of life. Welcome back to RN Digital Learnings. Myself, Nigar Sultana. In our previous video, we have learned various types of problems based on permutation and combinations. In this video, we are going to learn the problems based on selection. Selection in the sense, combination. You can download the file. The link will be provided in the description box. Watch this video till the end to know the password of this file.
Today is type 9 problems which is based on selection. Let's proceed with the first problem. First is, in how many ways a committee of 5 members can be selected from 6 men and 5 ladies consisting of 3 men and 2 ladies. So what is given? First let's analyze what has been given. So first it's telling to form a committee of how many members? 5 members. Then from how many men and ladies? So totally we have 6 men. Next we have 5 ladies. Right. Now how many we have to select among these? I need to select 3 men out of 6 men, then 2 ladies among 5 ladies, right? So totally it has to be 5. Now this is a concept of selection. See, in how many ways a committee of 5 members can be selected? It is not telling about the arrangement. If they tell about the arrangement, that is the concept of permutation. Right. Now we are talking about the selection. Selection means combination. Right. So now how can we write this? So there are 6 men. Among 6 men I need to select 3. Totally there are 5 ladies. I need to select 2 ladies. So there are how many ways of selection possible among 6 men and 5 ladies? So this can be written as 6C3. 6 indicates 6 men, 3 indicates this 3 men. Now into 5 ladies. So how many has to be selected? 2. This is 2 out of 5. Now let's simplify this. This is, how can we write this? 6C3. 6C3 can be written as 6, go backward till 3 numbers, 5 into 4 divided by, now start from 3, go backward. In this way we need to represent this 6C3 into 5C2. 5C2 can be written as, write only the 2 numbers from 5, go backward, next from 2 to 1. So now start simplification. 2, 3 get cancelled because 2 3s are 6. This 6 get cancelled. So what is the value of this? This is 5 into 4 is 20 into, this is 2 and this is 2. 5 2s are 10. So what is 20 into 10? This is 200. So this is the value of the first problem. I hope you have understood this. Now let's move on to the next problem. In how many ways can a group of 5 men and 2 women be made out of a total of 7 men and 3 women? So first let's write down. So I need to select 5 men out of 7 men, right? So 5 out of 7 men and 2 women out of 3 women. 2 out of 3 women. So how can we represent this in the form of combination? 7C5 into, and means into 3C2. So let's expand this. See, you need not to write like this. 7C5 can be written as 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. No, this is a long way. There is a shortcut for this. This 7C5 is similar as 7C2. I have told you 7C5 can be written as 7C7 minus 5. So what is the value of this? 7C2. So this 7C5 can be written as 7C2 star. This 3C2 can be written as 3C3 minus 2. So this is 3C1. Okay, now let's expand this. So take only the two numbers from 7, 7 into 6, now two numbers from 2 into 1, into, this is 1. So 3C1, that is NC1 is nothing but N. Okay, so the value of N is 3 here. Yes, 2 1s are 2 3s are. So what is 3 into 7? This is 21 into 3 will give us 63. So 63 is the value of this problem. I hope you have understood. Now let's move on to the next problem. In how many ways a committee of 5 men and 6 women can be formed out of 8 men and 10 women? Again, this is an easiest problem. So I need to make 5 men out of 8 men and 6 women out of 10 women. So how can we write this? 5 men out of 8 men and 6 women out of 10 women, right? So how can we represent this? 8C5 star 10C6. So this 8C5 is similar to 8C3, right? And this 10C6 is similar to 10C4. I'll explain how is this. 8C5 can be written as 8C8 minus 5. What is the value? 8C3, right? Similarly, this is 10 minus 6 is 4. Now let's write down 8C5 can be written as 8C3 into 10C6 can be written as 10C4. After expanding this, we get 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. So this is first one into, and this is 10 into 9, go till only with 4 numbers, 8 into 7 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, right? And this get cancelled. Again 2 into 4 will get cancelled with 8 and 3 will get cancelled with 9, right? And this will give us 76 into 210. The final answer is 11760. Done. So now next problem states that from a group of 7 men and 6 women, 5 persons are to be selected to form a committee so that at least 3 men are there on a committee. In how many ways can it be done? So now let's see what is the total. So total we have 7 men and 6 women. Now there is a condition that for every formation there has to be at least 3 men. It can be 4 men, it can be 5, 6 or 7, but at least minimum there should be 3 men. Okay. Now how many has to be selected? 5 persons has to be selected. Yes. Now when I consider this 3 men, okay, so now to make 5 as my total, if I select 3 men, the woman has to be selected 2, right? When I take this minimum 3 men and 2 women, it will make how much? 5, right? Now it is not necessary that it should be 3 itself. The minimum is 3. I can take it 4 men also. 4 men. If I take 4 men, how many left? 1 woman. And this will also make 5 selections. Now it can be 5 men. If I take 5 men, then there will be 0 women. So this is 5. Now there is no need of women to be selected because 5 men are been selected here. So now how can we write this? Now this is the total is how much? 7 men. This can be written as 7. See, what is the selection of men? 3 into. So what is the total of men? Sorry, women? 6. C, selection is 2. Okay, plus, this has to be plus. Okay, or now this can be written as 7 men 4. This is 7C4 star 6C1. Okay, this is 6 1. Now plus, so how many men? 5 men out of 7. So in this way we need to write. I have told you this 7C3 can be written as 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 3 into 2 into 1 into, this is 6 into 5, just 2 numbers, then 2 into 1. Okay, plus this 7C4. 7C4 is same as 7C3. 7C3, that is this can be written as 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, star 6C1 is nothing but 6. Now this is 6 plus 7C5 can be written as 7C2. 7 into 6 divided by 2 into 1. Let's simplify this. This 3 into 2 get cancelled. This is 35, right? I'll write down 35 into 2 1s are 2 3s are 3 5s are 15 plus, now what is the value of this? This part and this part get cancelled. 7 into 5 is 35 again into 6 as it is plus 1s are 3s are 7 3s are 21. Now let's multiply this. If you multiply 35 into 15, we get 525 plus 35 into 6 is 210 plus 21. So what is the value? 756. So now let's move on to the next problem. In a group of 6 boys and 4 girls, 4 children are to be selected. In how many ways can they be selected such that at least one boy should be there? Now let's write down what are the total number of boys and girls. So now we have total, how many boys? 6 boys we have. Now how many girls? 4 girls we have. How many has to be selected? 4 has to be selected. Now, so what is the condition? At least one boy should be there. Now, if I take one boy to make 4, how many girls has to be selected? 3 girls has to be selected to make it 4, right? Now, it is at least in the sense minimum. It can have more than one also. Now, if I take 2 boys, how many girls will be selected? 2 girls will be selected, which to make it as 4. Now, if I consider 3 boys, how many girls has to be selected? 1 girl. This also will make 4. I can take 4 boys as well. If I take 4 boys, there will be 0 girl, right? So this is 4. Now let's represent this. So now totally how many boys we have? 6. This can be written as 6C1 star. Next write on this part 4C3. 4C3. Then this part is done. Now write on this part 6C2 next into 4C2, right, plus this is also done. Now 6 6C3 into 4C1, right? 4C1 plus, so we have 6C4. That's it. Now there are no girls here. Now let's simplify this. 6C1 will give us 6 itself. 6. Now this 4C3 can be written as 4C1 because 4 minus 3 is 1. Now 4C1 is nothing but 4 plus this is 6C2 means 6, 5, 2 into 1 star, this is 4 into 3, 2 into 1, this is one part, plus 6C3 can be written as 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 3 into 2 into 1 star, 4C1 can be written as 4 itself. Now this 6C4 can be written as 6C2. 6C2 in the sense 6 into 5 divided by 2 into 1. Right? Now let's simplify. 6 into 4 is 24 plus 1, 3. So this is 3 5s are 15. 15 into 1, 1, 2 and 2 3s are 6. This is 6. So what is 15 into 6? It is 90. Now this will get cancelled. 3 2s are 6. This 6 get cancelled. This is 20. 20 into 4. What is 20 into 4? It is 80. Next plus 1s are 3s are. 3 into 5 is 15. So when we add all these numbers we get 209. So 209 is our solution for this problem. Now let's move on to the next problem. Our last problem of this video. A box contains 2 white balls, 3 black balls and 4 red balls. In how many ways 3 balls be drawn from the box if at least 1 black ball is to be included? Now a box contains how many white balls? 2 white balls. First let's write down 2 white balls. Next, how many black balls? 3 black balls. Next, how many red balls? We have 4 red balls. Now how many has to be drawn? 3 balls has to be drawn. Now the condition is at least 1 black has to be there. 1 black ball has to be selected. Now I will consider this as my black ball, right? Now this 2 as my non-black. Okay, this white and red are my non-black and this is my black. Now the condition is there should be 1 black ball, right? So now totally let's divide this concept into black and non-black. So how many black are there? 3 black are there. Now how many non-black are there? 2 and 4, that is 6 non-black, right? Next, now the condition is 1 black ball has to be there. If I select 1 black ball, how many non-black has to be selected to make it 3? 2. 2 has to be non-black. Now at least 1 black. It can be more than 1 also. If I take 2 black balls, how many non-black? It is 1 non-black, right? Now I can consider this 3 black also. If I take this 3 black, there will be 0 non-black to make it 3. Okay, only 3 has to be selected. See, the condition is only 3. 3 ball has to be drawn. Now how can we represent this? So what is the total number of black we have? 3C1 star 6C2. This part has to be written 6C2. Now plus this is 2, right? 3C2 star 6C1 plus this is 3C3, right? Now what is 3C1? 3C1 is nothing but 3 into this 6C2 can be written as 6 into 5, 2 into 1 plus 3C2 can be written as 3C1 because 3 minus 2 is 1. This 3C1 is nothing but 3 again star 6C1 is 6 then plus NCN means it is 1. Already we have studied in our first video of permutation and combination that NCN is equals to 1. So if we have 3C3 is also 1, if we have 10C10 is also 1, whatever the value of N can be, the answer will be always 1. So this is my 1. This is 1, 3s. Now 3 5s are 15. This is my 15. 15 into 3 is 45 plus 3 into 6 is 18 plus 1. So the value when we add all these numbers we get 64. So we have solved the problems based on the selection, that is combination. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment section so that I can explain you clearly in another way.
Thank you for watching our video. Like our video, share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe our channel.